What's up, guys? Today we're playing Super Mario Sunshine again, Part 2. Or Chapter 2, Series 2.
Yeah, you guys seem to like that video a lot, so.
So we're gonna play it again. What? What about Nala?
We got Nala here with the.
Yeah, that's our dog.
No. You guard us and protect us from the evildoers of society.
Evildoers. Alright, we only got 5 last time. I think we ended off on 8 red coins.
Yep. I can't wait to see you get mad.
I don't want to get mad, but it's probably what's gonna happen.
No, every time you play this game, no matter what, whether you win or lose, you get mad.
PV Prawn strikes back.
It has to be something every time.
Oh, this is the one where I have to. I hate this one.
Oh, dude!
This one's so hard.
I remember doing this one, yeah.
This one's so hard to do for no reason. Scraggy, get off Pokemon Shield, dude. That game's old and stupid.
Your face is old, you stupid.
I did not mean to fall. Okay, well, where am I supposed to be going?
Where are you going?
I don't know.
I was like, figure it out. You're stupid.
Shut up, dude.
Well, apparently you don't know where to go. Going the wrong way.
How am I going the wrong way? You're going the wrong way, you know
What am
that?
I supposed to do? Oh yeah, just use your...
Yeah. It's literally just over there.
You have to wash the...
Let me see!
Dude, stop dying.
The game wouldn't let me see where I was at, dude.
What? Whose fault was that?
The game's fault.
How was that my fault?
It's not over here. Oh, there's a blue coin down there, though.
So you usually skip through all the blue coins.
Huh?
You always skip the blue coins, but now you're not.
Are you complaining?
No. I was.
Don't talk with your mouth full.
Well, I'm done now.
Doesn't sound like you're very done. Where am I supposed to go?
You want me to tell you?
They're just over here.
Do you want me to tell you if it's over there?
Sure.
No.
I don't know.
Let me just tell you.
What's this guy complaining about? Tell me.
Alright, go back to the town. All the way back there, because I don't know why you even went over here.
I didn't know if it was over here, dude.
What are you doing?
Go in town, like you told me to.
Go over there.
Where's there?
Turn right. Left. A little bit right. Well, actually, that was good. Go over there.
Oh, it's all the way up that little mountain.
Yeah. And you gotta talk to a guy that throws you there. I literally see him right now. He's right there. You past me. See him?
All I see is goop.
Exactly. He's right there. I'll just let you figure it out.
What? Is he like covered in it or something?
Again, you gotta uncover the cube. You really gonna leave the town all filthy like this?
Yeah. It's not my fault.
There's little Mr. Saturn.
There he is.
See? I could see his little platform.
If these things could leave me alone,
What are you doing?
they won't leave me alone!
Oh. Did you actually get to aim where he goes you?
Come on, dude. Do the thing, that thing. Yeah, that's what I want you to do.
And then you just go from there.
I'm about to run out of water.
There is some-
I need to get some more water.
Alright, you got water. So now. You suck, dude!
Brayden.
Alright, you actually have to aim where he throws you at, like I said, like 2 seconds
Why do
ago.
I have to aim? Why do I have to worry about that?
Because that's why this game's good.
That's why the game's stupid.
You have to actually do stuff in this game, unlike every other skill in this Mario game.
Can you, like, let me talk to you, dude? Stop getting surprised. I've been sitting in front of your face this whole time, dude.
You jumped on his head like 12 times. How would you feel if someone jumped on your head 12 times? You'd be mad and you wouldn't talk to him, would you?
Dude, I don't care. Dude, stupid, dude.
Well, don't get hit. You got 1 health.
Bruh. This is why I hate this friggin' mission. Dude!
Dude, watch out! Where are you aiming, dude?
Why?
Because you're hitting the fence!
The fence should get out of my way! This is stupid. I hate this. How do I do the first person thing?
Oh!
Okay, well, we're not doing this one.
Why not?
Because I hate it.
Well, at least you know what to do, and you might as well just go try
No,
it.
I don't want to. I hate it.
This is what you do in every Sunshine level you can't do. And that's one of the beginning levels. So how do you think you're going to do in the later levels?
Horribly. I went the wrong way.
You're going to go over here and do those levels?
Yeah, why not?
You do you. Well, you're going to get mad at something. I already know.
My god, dude. Who's friggin' mowing their lawn at friggin' 2 in the morning?
It's not 2 a.m.
How do you know?
Because I look at the time.
And the time says 2 a.m.
Yeah, it's just 2 a.m. Come on.
I'm getting there, Brayden.
You get to do it when his mouth is open.
I know that.
Apparently you don't. You've been shooting at it aimlessly.
I just killed him, you idiot.
Well, that's just because you got lucky. See, look. You
Why is he
killed him,
back?
huh? You killed him?
Why is he back then?
Yeah. I thought you killed him.
I did too.
But you're not doing it right.
Why? I have to aim at every I was not even aim at those stupid things, dude.
You just you want to get hit. They're just phasing through them. What were they called? Swooping stews?
Yeah, I think so.
Those are your worst enemies.
I don't know. I know this for a fact though. Hold on. Turn camera.
Oh yeah, on the floor.
Yeah, where's it at?
Right there. That was easy.
Yeah,
Now
I
you
knew,
gotta go get it.
yeah, see, I knew that was there. Do I need Yoshi to get that?
Nope. You just have to have fun to get it.
That was easy.
I remember watching you do that the first time. It took you like 15 minutes. You couldn't do it.
This game is freaking. This game sucks.
You haven't even gotten that far in this game. Or like actually before like.
It's so difficult for no reason, dude. Why do they have to make this game this hard?
Well, that's what makes it unique. and good. A hard game. You're not used to hard games like this.
I beat and played Cuphead, dude.
That doesn't count.
Whoa, what did I just do?
Cuphead's not 3D.
Bro,
What are you doing?
I just realized I could do that.
Well, it's like useless, so why would you do it?
I don't know, I didn't know I could ever do that.
How did you do that?
I like hold the R button and then like back and B at the same time.
I bet it's actually going to get in your way later.
This one, I think I feel like I remember this one.
You don't... I think...
This is the Wiggler boss, right?
I think... That's the wrong one. What are you doing?
I don't know. My coins come out of nowhere.
Watch out! Those things from the annoying Mario Kart level. Or actually, it's from this, but they're in the Mario Kart level. Oh wait, no, it's one of those.
Oh, this is a secret level?
Yeah. Oh my god.
Okay, I like these levels though. Not until they make me really mad.
So
Oh, I don't. I remember.
I remember this one, dude.
Me too. You have to get like red coins, don't you?
Oh yeah, I think maybe.
I just died. Oh, almost.
You gotta watch out.
I'm not even gonna worry about those nails.
You sure? What if they have one up?
They're too close to the edge for my liking. See, that one only has a coin.
What are you doing?
I missed it.
Depth perception.
They probably just have coins.
I mean, you never know. Maybe this one's not that bad. Not bad. Probably just another easy one.
Okay, Mario. Come on, you got this.
Okay. What is the canine performing?
What?
I said, what is the canine performing? What bizarre act is the canine performing?
Shut up, Brayden, the Babylonian from the Babbler from Babylonian, dude.
What's the dog doing?
What?
What's the dog doing?
What the dog doing?
What's bizarre act is the canine performing?
Mirror
Okay,
Madness.
that first one was really easier than I thought.
I remember this one too.
Oh, there we go.
This one kind of takes a little bit.
Oh, dude.
What?
Wait, don't tell me you have to project the mirrors towards it.
You have to.
Oh my god,
You
you're
have to
gonna
not-
love this level so much.
I know. I played this one.
You're not gonna have very much fun.
I know. You have to like get them on the very edge and knock them over. I know how this works, Brayden.
I know, but I'm just saying, like, it took me so long to do this.
I remember.
You never even finished the line for this level. Or like,
The
I don't know how
line?
to say it. I don't know how to say it, like all the levels for this
Place.
island.
Isn't there like 8 shines per level or per place?
Something like that? I don't remember. It's been a little while since I've played it. What are you doing?
Yeah, on top of here. Like support them.
It'd be so much better if you didn't know what to do.
But see, I played this game a time or two before. Right?
Yeah, so you know these early levels more.
What are you doing?
They have little plungers on their feet.
Why aren't you doing it? I'm doing the correct thing, and nothing is happening, dude. I know. Why? I did it! This game's just picky, dude. Game's just really freaking picky about what it wants, or how it wants it, dude. Stupid. How did I end up over here?
Good. So we can do the cutscene. I think this one's really easy.
Yeah, there's only one.
This level's gonna be really easy because you know what to do.
Yeah.
Well, I'm telling you, once you get to the levels you've never done, dude, it's gonna be so good. This series, dude.
Luis was saying there should be a series.
Yeah, it should. It is, right, Cameron?
I guess. Just like how your Sonic series is the whole thing. I need to get some more water real quick.
Dude, that Sonic, we should have finished the Sonic Empire. Like,
I got really bored of it, okay?
as soon as we stopped making videos on it, I beat it, and it was so good.
Well, maybe get to the good part sooner, and then I wouldn't be bored of it.
Well, we did get to that part, but then you ended it off, so you couldn't see it.
Well, I guess that makes other people want to play it, doesn't it?
What do you mean?
Since we played so much of it, it would make other people want to play it, right?
Yeah, I don't really know. I'm not sure, man.
Well, where's my jump, Mario? I just don't get one?
What are you doing?
I'm getting there, shut up, dude.
You're getting very good at it. Dude, these guys are so annoying.
They are so just like you.
Hey.
Stop, dude.
You want
They kept attacking me whenever I was trying to ground pound, dude.
Oh, let's just listen.
Not attack me. See, what are they doing? Die, dude.
Hey.
Oh my god, how far is it going? About to die, dude.
I swear to God, if you get hit like twice. I'm one of those annoying blue things here. But they're not. There's none of them. But there should be, so we could kill it.
Because you just want me to suffer.
Yeah, I do. I like how it just goes completely across the map.
That's dumb. Alright, so this one requires defeating that ugly green guy.
Shouldn't be too hard. It's another level that you've done, so you should know what to do.
Yeah,
But of course, you'll still get mad at it.
I will. So whenever he runs over, he's supposed to I'm supposed to do this, right? And then it's supposed to flip him over.
To be honest, I kind of forgot. But actually, yeah, that is what you do. Yeah, I remember now. Yeah, it's pretty self-explanatory there. It literally tells you what to do right there.
I'm just gonna freak out a little bit.
It's like a really easy boss.
Yeah.
Like, where's he going? I forget that it gets more cheeky every time
He does. Where's he
like,
going?
avoids all the plants. And you can't even hit him. So he's just gonna wait.
He didn't give me enough time! Whoa,
He still got him.
I'll take it.
Even though you got brutally
What?
thrown.
Did you see me go through his stomach, dude?
Yeah.
That was dumb. This is so got him, though. I feel bad for people who get motion sickness over this.
Do they really?
People get, yeah, my grandma would get motion sick over this.
Over this boss?
No, over like the way I move the camera.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Some people get really bad motion sickness.
Do they get like a headache or whatever?
Something like that. I don't know how it works. I don't get it.
Yeah.
Wait for him to come back over here.
So, do you have motion sickness like at all?
No. I get car sick a little bit.
You would do pretty good on an airplane.
I get like car sick, but that's like about it.
Oh, well then never mind.
Like a little bit though, because there's that road going into.
Oh, well that doesn't really.
You know what I'm talking
I mean,
about
you
though?
might get a little bit sick, but.
Just like if I'm on a road that has like lots of curves and whatnot,
Yeah, I know what you're talking about.
then it'll do it for me. Where's this guy at, dude?
Like, I don't really get car sick unless like my stomach isn't very settled up or whatever. Like
Yeah.
I'm just eating all like crap. And
What are you
I'm going on
doing?
A bunch of curves and stuff.
Yeah, I get it.
Like a roller coaster right after eating something.
Yeah, I felt that.
The first time and only time I ever went on a roller coaster, dude, I actually almost threw up because I like had stuff right before it.
That time that we went to the fair not too long ago.
No,
Yeah,
what-
I ate some like fried Oreos.
Yeah, and then it kind of ruined the fair trip. You didn't want to do anything else.
It was the most stupid ride that got me too. That made me feel sick.
Yeah, it was like the slowest ride ever.
That made me, yeah. It was dumb.
Dude, fried Oreos. Oh my god.
There's actually some kid talking about fried cookies yesterday at the band room.
Dude, what about a fried stick of butter? Or a fried...
People have done that.
I know, and it's really like...
Unhealthy.
It gives you like 3 days worth of calories.
Oh my god, dude. Why would you want to eat that though?
And fried Kool-Aid? Yes.
Fried Kool-Aid?
Yes.
That's a liquid.
I know.
How do they just like solidify it to like, wait, is this
Dude, I don't know my fried Kool-Aid lore.
Brayden? It's here. The
Wait,
sandbird.
this might not be the same one.
I think it's the sandbird. That.
No, that's the Skybird. The one you're thinking of. Oh, wait, I think this might be another secret level.
Okay, well.
Wait, actually, wait, it might be that level.
That's what I'm saying. I think it's. Yeah. You're gonna hear me rage quite a bit this
Dude,
one
this-
if it's what we think it
If
is.
it's what we're thinking of, it is the bane of your existence. You barely beat it last time. I had to help you like so much.
It sucks. I hate it.
I mean, the second time you're gonna do better, but like
I
still.
hope so. I hope I do better.
I guess that works. There we go. I swear to God, dude. I think it is.
It is!
Jeez!
Oh my god. Okay.
I'm not even gonna help you. I'm just gonna let you do you.
Okay, Brayden. I told you it was. I'm not even gonna care about that blue coin.
I don't remember it being this level though.
It's this level. Okay, so if you guys don't know, I'll take that one. If you guys don't know, this thing's gonna flip over here in a second.
Yeah.
And then there's also a red coin on.
The bottom of it.
Is there? I thought it was on a cloud or something. Oh, here it goes. This is what trips me up every time. I'm just gonna stand here. Oh, okay, I can just stand there.
You didn't know that?
Okay, Mario. Mario!
Maybe it was on cloud, I'm not sure.
I think it was on a cloud though. That's... I can't see anything like around me.
Oh, wait, I remember where it was.
Is it on that pillar?
I think so.
And I have to wait for him to do all this stupid little shenanigans before I can even get there.
Yeah, you're probably gonna end up beating it because you've done it already.
Sadly. You should... Oh my god, the first few times I've done this, I like got so mad at it.
No, as soon as you...
Oh wait, can I get there?
Yeah, as soon as you went in the game, you did this level, and then got off the game. Without even beating the level.
Well, that's sad. I already beat it. This was a really good level too.
Well, because
I played it.
you took so long to beat it.
And I've like memorized how it's done.
Yeah. Because it was the bane of your existence when you did it.
Well,
Are we gonna do one more level or what?
whatever that thing is, it looks like your face, Brayden, dude. Like, what is that?
It looks like your butthole, dude.
My butthole looks better than that, dude. Okay, we'll see. We'll see what's Wait, should we do the?
What?
The secret level?
No.
We shouldn't do that one.
Not yet. This one's easy though. This level's really easy.
What is this one? Oh, this is a race.
Piantissimo.
I remember this guy. Okay, yeah.
Piantissimo the second's race.
Sounds like an artist. Where's he at? Over here. Okay, I got you, bro. I'm about to beat you.
But why is he so short?
Maybe because he's brown.
Really? And of course you say that when you're racing him, when he's running fast. Of course, yeah.
Yeah, because he's probably in the Olympics or something, which is good.
Of course you would assume that. Man, being racist as always.
Bro!
You shut up, dude.
I didn't know I could wall jump that. Oh, well, now I'm about to beat him.
Look how easy that was, dude. That shouldn't have even counted as a level. As the last
That
one.
was so easy. Watch Mario climb that. And then wall.
Oh, that didn't count. That didn't count.
So easy peasy lemon squeezy, bro. Lemon teasy. Mac and
Dude,
cheesy.
you should have done this on the actual GameCube.
It would look horrible. The quality would look horrible if I did it on the actual GameCube version.
I guess.
That's why we do it on the Switch. Because it looks way better.
And you wouldn't have to set up your GameCube and stuff.
Yeah, that's just a whole process I don't want to deal with.
I mean, you have the game.
I do have the game on GameCube.
And a GameCube. And a controller, so you could do
I have
it.
2 controllers.
Oh, yeah.
They should have made this game 2-player somehow. I don't know how they would have done that, but...
Tanner, do you want to try that first level one more time?
What first level?
The first
Piranha?
level? Yes.
No.
Why not?
I don't want to.
Tanner, you gotta do it. You gotta beat it.
I don't want to beat it. I don't feel like I can just buy a Shine Sprite and then call it a day.
No, you have to beat the game.
I'm not going to get every single one, Brayden.
Well, not every single one, but enough to. You have to get that one to beat the game, though.
I don't think so.
Because I know you have to beat all the storyline. Or like all the islands in order to beat the game.
Look at Peach, she's like petrified, dude. Because Mario's like, what that tongue do, bro?
For
Yep, and now we get a cannon to all the way over there.
I wouldn't do that storyline.
Not yet?
No. That's the circus way.
Yeah.
Don't do that yet.
We'll do some over here.
You gotta do the early ones first. The ones that you've already done. We're into Rico Harbor, dude. Are you serious?
Yeah, that's what I was saying.
I mean, the music does slap on this shit.
It does. We haven't even got one here. Gooper blooper breaks out. Breaks out in tears. Breaks out like acne. Like what's he breaking out? You know.
I remember you raising at the squid level.
All this music.
Oh wait, no, there's 2 squid levels.
Yeah. Boo, 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 doo, 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 boo. Oh my god, I didn't see that squid right there. I should have. Okay, well, I think I'm good. And they should be like right over here? Yeah.
I wasn't even paying attention. Dude, why is his tentacle look like an olive? What the heck?
Wait, how do I do it again? I have to press Y and then rip it off. Alright, I think this should be the finale of the video.
Yeah.
Okay.
The Pianissimo level did not count. Still, because the tips of his tentacles look like olives.
They do. Dude!
This one's easy. This one's easy.
Yeah. I can't, like, his arms got shorter or something. He's gonna whack me with that one. I don't even have to ground pound, I just step on it. I don't know why the ground pound again then.
Yeah. Dude, he's gonna turn into a nugget. Okay. Squid nuggets.
This is what we do to inklings around here.
Yeah. He would be an inkling, not an octo. Because he has that, like,
Because he's literally a squid.
Because he has a pointy head. Octolings have, like, round noses.
Yeah. Oh, now he threw up all over the place. Just what I wanted.
Dude, look at his face.
What, is it because he's black?
Yes.
Grab his freaking tentacle. Leave me alone. No! Mario! I'm always doing the wrong moves I don't want him to do. I didn't think I'd actually grab that. Bro, you know what we should do?
What?
I should have you play the original Luigi's Mansion.
I already beat it, though.
I know. Like, for a series. Because they haven't seen you play it.
But I'm good at it. So.
You see I'm bad at Mario Sunshine?
Well, the ones you haven't done.
Yeah.
It's so sad that you guys did good on the sandboard level.
Yeah, it really was. I thought it'd be a lot worse. Right into the sun.
And I don't know, the best levels we've done today were the first level. And what was the other one? The mirror ones? With the
Oh
round
yeah,
ones?
I didn't really like that one though. It was easy, but like there's better ones.
Like more, like hard ones.
I want to do another secret level.
Okay, next video on this game, you are going to beat that P Piranha level.
I don't feel like it.
You're gonna have to.
Well, that does it for this episode of Mario Sunshine. Hope you enjoy it. They're going to the Twin Towers right now, just so you know.
Bruh, they dropped the bomb on Pearl Harbor right now.
I'm sorry. Anyway, yeah, like and subscribe.
There's Delfino.
Yeah, it's a dolphin. If you guys didn't know, they made Delfino a dolphin shape because the project name for the GameCube was Dolphin.
Yeah.
So they called it Project Dolphin for Sunshine. So anyway, yeah, we'll be back with another video soon, sooner or later, I don't know. So, you got anything to say, Brandon?
Well, I will say the next videos are going to be better than this one. I'll tell you that. Because right now, for the beginning ones, we're the ones that he's already done, we're going to get over with. So that, we can just do the good ones later on. We're like,
Dude, Maurice Black.
I know, dude.
Mari's in love with him, too. Anyway, I'll see you guys next episode. Bye-bye.